Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming to you with another voiceover. Okay y'all, don't judge my nail, okay? We're not even finna discuss it. I know they look terrible and I'm missing one. But anyways, this unit was sent to me by Icy Hair, and I was just showing you guys what all came in the packaging in the beginning. And right here I am showing you the unit, which is a 10-inch frontal bob. You guys know I will have all of the information about this hair in the description box below. Right here I am just straightening the hair. This is a straight bob, but of course being in the packaging it did kind of curl up some. So right here I am just going to be straightening it with my chi iron. I did use my Fructis anti-frizz serum. I think that's what it's called. I did use that prior to applying the heat to the hair. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just straightening the hair some. Now you guys, I really think this is a really cute bob, but I do want to mention I did have a hump in the top of my head. As some of you guys know, my hair is usually braided terribly underneath my wigs, and I think that hump is from my hair, so it is going to be a hump at the top of the wig. But other than that, this unit is super cute. I think it has a super natural look to it. But yeah, that would probably be my only con. So right here I am just kind of showing you guys how I straighten it. It is nothing, you know, out of the ordinary, nothing extraordinary whatsoever. I am just simply applying that anti-frizz serum and then going over it with my chi irons. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And this hair has a lot of body, y'all. This was a very full unit. Like, it was super full. It was so full that I was kind of afraid that it wasn't going to be natural looking, but it is. Okay, right here I am just using my Gots to Be Glued Glam Force Freeze Spray to adhere the wig as usual. And you guys, really, the rest is pretty much history. Like, it's all pretty much the same stuff that I do in every single video, y'all. So I pretty much feel like saying anything else is just kind of getting very repetitious. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the video. I will definitely try to remember to put all the products that I use down below in the description box. If I do not, one of y'all please remind me, because you know I'm crazy. Like, if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I'm crazy and you know I'm forgetful. So if I do forget, please remind me to put the products that I use down below in the description box. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, honey. Okay, click that subscribe button. If you are already subscribed, I do appreciate your love and support. Also, y'all, check out Icy Hair. All of the information about the company, well, not the company, all the information about this wig will be down below in the description box, as well a direct link to the company in itself. So don't forget to check that out. Also, if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. It's late, y'all. I'm getting tongue tied, so I'm gonna close this thing out, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. y'all, so I am finished styling this hair, and I want to say yes. Okay, shout out to Icy Hair for sending me this gorgeous bob. Okay, y'all, this bob is life. It is. I had to really do anything to it, but before we get into all that, I want to give you guys the details, the specs, blah 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 about this hair. Now, I have worked with Icy Hair before, and I really did like them. It was another straight wig. This one was a straight wig, and I liked the first straight wig that they sent me. So I was like, hey, why not go with another straight wig, just shorter? So that's what I decided to do, and they sent me this 10-inch, really, really cute bob, y'all. Okay, so I really like this hair, and like I said, I didn't have to do a whole lot with it. All I had to do was, I did tweeze some of the hair out of the parting space, and I did apply my Sally Henson airbrush legs per usual. I also did use my Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me powder, and applied that to the parting space and along the perimeter some. Now, I did not tweeze the hairline. I probably could have a little bit because it is kind of dense. Not crazy dense, but it is kind of on the dense side. So I could have, but with the style that I knew I was going to be wearing with this bob, I didn't feel like it would be an issue. But if you're planning on doing any type of up styles or something like that, you probably want to tweeze the hairline some, because like I said, it is a little dense. But yeah, the hair in itself is really nice. I felt like it was pretty full. It doesn't feel as full as it did before I straightened it. Prior to straightening it, I was like, whoa, this is a lot of hair. I didn't think it was going to give me a natural look. But after I did straighten it, I did, of course, get a natural look. Now, this is probably the first bob that I didn't have to cut a bang in. You know, other than that curly bob that I review. As far as straight bobs or even body wave bobs, I usually have to cut the bang area. This bob, I did not have to do that. The bang area was basically already cut for me. And it was already late. Like, I didn't do this. I didn't do that whatsoever. So if you are looking for a bob that you kind of unsure about cutting layers, this is a good bob, y'all. The hair feels really, really nice. It does have a few flyaways. I don't really care about flyaways, but I do know that's a thing for some people. And as far as flyaways go, you can always use your wax stick to get rid of any flyaways. I also use my wax stick to lay down the area right here, like when you part your hair and it's kind of like, you know, it's not laying as flat as you want to. I use my Tiki bedhead stick to lay that down, and then I kind of go over it with a hot comb, and it kind of lays where I want it to lay. Now, the parting, I do still feel like maybe the parting could use a little bit more tweezing, but I'm not going to worry about it. But the hair in itself, y'all, I think is a look, and I think it is really, really natural. Like, if you're looking for a wig that you want that natural look without straightening your hair if you're natural, or if, without cutting your hair if your hair is long, whatever you're looking for, and you kind of want that look with a bob that's a super natural looking, I feel like this is that bob. Like, it is super, super cute, y'all. Like, I will be wearing her to work today. I love it. I think it is really nice. And like I said, it's 10 inches. I do feel like 10 inches is my go-to, especially when it comes to straight hair bobs, because I do have a short neck. I mentioned that in my last video. 10 inches to me, it does pretty good. I do feel like maybe this one is still a little bit too long, but it's still not crazy long. I do have a short neck. Like, you guys can really see it now. I don't have a very elongated neck, a very elegant type neck. So, you want a shorter bob when your neck is not really, really long, or else it's not going to look very bob-like. So, yeah, I do approve of this hair. This hair is Chrissy approved. If I'm not mistaken, you can tell the company what size wig cap you wear. I do wear a medium to regular size wig cap. I don't ever have to really specify. If they don't ask, I don't specify. Usually whatever they send is probably going to fit me. But I do think I did specify with this company. I think they asked. So, I do wear a medium cap. Yeah, I can't think of nothing else to say about this hair. It is nice, y'all. I think it is nice. Shedding, tangling, nah, okay, nah, sis. Alright, y'all, so that pretty much covers it. I want to give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. And as far as what I use to adhere the wig to my head, I use my Gots to Be Glued Glamorous High Hold Hairspray. That is what I use right here. And it just helps the wig lay like I want it to lay. So yeah. And this is it. This it's a look, okay? It's a look. So let me know down below if you guys are feeling this bob, if you think it's cute. Is it a look? You know, I feel like it's a great springtime going into summer type bob. You know, it's bob season, honey. It's bob season, okay? It's time to bring out the blondes and or the bobs, okay? Right now I'm doing the or, okay? Usually I would do blonde and a bob, but we're gonna do and or right here. So the or is bob. It's bob season, sis. It is bob season. Anyways, y'all, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, I don't even know what you're doing with your life. I don't know what you're doing. Click that subscribe button. Also, do not forget to check out Icy Hair. There will be a direct link to this wig and a direct link to the company listed down below in the description box for you guys' convenience. And if you're not already following me on all my social media websites or platforms, websites, child. If you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Helton C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.